Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from Abbotsford, BC. Today I'm going to show you this 2005 Western Star 4900 highway tractor. The engine has approximately 500,000 kilometers since the rebuild. The chassis has about 2 million kilometers. On the Detroit Series 60 engine, 470 to 515 horsepower. It has a jake brake, an interaxle lock, 13-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, RTLO 16913A, front axle rating 12,000 pounds on spring suspension, 40,000 pounds in the rears. On Meritor RT 40145R on air suspension, ratio 3.73, rubber all the way around 11R 22.5, on aluminum rims all the way around inside and out, wheelbase 244 inches, has twin fuel tanks 125 and 150 gallon, and a 72-inch single sleeper. It's a Stratosphere, and the unit also has a 2,000-watt inverter. We're going to do a general walk around the unit. We're going to come up close for a tight inspection. We're going to go inside and take a look under the hood. We can see it has dual exhaust. Appears to be a dark maroon color. And twin beacon lights at the top. Just going to come up behind the unit. And we're going to continue our way around. And let's come up a little closer here. I'm going to come right into the grill. And there is a bug cover on the grill, but it does look like the fins are all in good shape from what I can see. I'm going to follow along the bumper. We got some bend here. And we can see it's not aligned properly. I'll just give you that look from here. Looks like about 6 inches out. This is an old truck, but she looks like she's in really good shape, and preliminary inspection shows that the engine is running well and no visible leaks underneath. Just going to pan the passenger side here, and we're going to come over to the sleeper. There's some sun on there, you can get a good look at the color. And I'm going to come up between axles 2 and 3, come right behind. You see the airliner suspension. Give you a closer look there. And let's take a look at the back of the sleeper. And the hookups are over on the other side. We'll take a look when we get there. And let's just come right over the rear diff here. I'll take you as far as I can. And let's do the same thing here in the driver's side. And let's take a look at the sleeper here. The driver's side. I'm not seeing any major damage at all, just a A few little scrapes and bruises, that's it. Well, let's take a look inside the unit. Just going to cycle it on, give you a good look at the panel. I'm getting a lot of glare from the sun, so I'm going to try and give you an angle here from a bit of a distance, give you a better look. That should be better. And the upholstery looks like it has been replaced. The seats are almost new condition. It's got the old solid wood cabinetry. And it's got the nice side window and the Stratosphere sleepers. This unit is in pretty good condition. Again, considering it's an older truck, it seems to be very solid. Nice large fridge. And here's the inverter. Now I'm going to start up the unit, and we'll take a look under the hood. Nice clean start. This engine is running very well. Let's take a look. There you have it. Another great piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day. 604-996-5159.